Greetings travelers. It's YJ from Plan Your Trip Ezee, and I'm here to guide you through an unforgettable 48-hour adventure in San Francisco. San Francisco offers a unique mix of historic and modern attractions, diverse neighborhoods, vibrant arts, culture scenes, iconic landmarks, world-renowned museums, innovative technology companies, and a thriving food scene, making it a top destination for travelers. Okay, let's start building our San Francisco Day 1 itinerary. First, the Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic landmark that offers stunning views from Hawk Hill. The Welcome Center, located on the San Francisco side of the bridge, has parking, restrooms, and attractions like Battery East Vista and Fort Point Historic Site. Admission is free, and it's recommended to spend at least 1 to 2 hours exploring the area. The bridge and Welcome Center are open daily, and there's no admission fee. Next, the Palace of Fine Arts is a Greco-Roman style structure in San Francisco with a rotunda, columns, and a classical dome. The grounds and parks surrounding the palace are free to enter, but admission fees may apply for certain events or exhibits. The Palace Cafe is nearby and offers a variety of food and drinks with indoor and outdoor seating. Restrooms are available and well maintained. Parking is available at the palace, but it's not free. Plan to spend 1 to 2 hours here. The third attraction is Lombard Street, a famous one-block street in the Russian Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. It has 8 sharp turns and is surrounded by beautiful gardens and flowers. Admission is free, but it can be crowded, and parking can be a challenge. There are parking garages and public transportation options available nearby. The fourth attraction is the Cable Car Museum, located in the Nob Hill neighborhood of San Francisco. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in the history of the city's transportation system or for those who want to experience the unique charm of its famous cable cars. Admission to the museum is free, and it's open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. The fifth attraction, which is optional, is UnionSquare. It's a bustling commercial and cultural hub in downtown San Francisco, home to several fine dining restaurants, theaters, and art galleries. It's a great place to spend a day exploring the city's cultural scene, and it's a convenient location for visitors to access other popular tourist destinations in the city, such as Chinatown and the Ferry Building. Lastly, the Painted Ladies are a famous row of 7 colorful Victorian houses built between 1892 and 1896. They are situated across from Alamo Square Park and are a popular tourist attraction in San Francisco. While the houses are private residences and not open to the public, visitors can still enjoy their beauty from the outside and take photos. No admission fee is required to view the Painted Ladies. San Francisco International Airport is a major airport located 13 miles south of downtown San Francisco. Other nearby airports include Oakland, San Jose, and Sacramento International Airports, located between 20 to 95 miles away. Day 2. The first attraction is Alcatraz Island, renowned for its former federal prison where infamous criminals were incarcerated. Visitors can take a self-guided audio tour of the prison and observe various wildlife habitats. Tickets for the ferry and prison tours should be purchased in advance due to unpredictable weather conditions. Admission prices vary by age and the ferry departs from 8:40 a.m. to 7:35 p.m., requiring a 3 to 4 hour stay. The second attraction is Muirwoods National Monument, a 554-acre park filled with old-growth coastal redwood trees reaching over 300 feet and living for over 1,000 years. Admission for adults is $15, and children under 15 enter for free. Parking requires an advance reservation, and shuttles cost $3.50. Meals are available at the Muirwoods Trading Company. The park is open every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The third attraction is Pier 39, a waterfront complex in San Francisco with over 100 specialty shops and restaurants, offering waterfront views and attractions such as the Aquarium of the Bay, 7D Experience, and San Francisco Carousel. There is no admission fee, and it is open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. It is easily accessible by public transport or parking garages. The fourth attraction is Fisherman's Wharf, a popular San Francisco area with seafood restaurants, souvenir shops, and attractions such as the Aquarium of the Bay, Madame Tussauds, and Ripley's Believe It or Not. It is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. The fifth attraction is Golden Gate Park, a large urban park in San Francisco with attractions such as the De Young Museum, California Academy of Sciences, Japanese Tea Garden, and San Francisco Botanical Garden. Admission fees vary, and some areas offer free admission on certain days. The park is open 24 hours, and the attractions have their own specific hours. We have some hotel preferences for you to consider when planning your trip. These destinations are selected based on what's important to you, like being close to attractions, having a comfortable stay, and staying within your budget. If you're looking for hotels in South San Francisco, they typically range from $100 to $400 per night. Nob Hill is known for luxury hotels and fancy restaurants, but they're a bit more expensive, usually ranging from $300 to $800 per night. UnionSquare is centrally located, great for shopping and entertainment, and the hotels here usually cost between $150 and $400 per night. Finally, Fisherman's Wharf is by the waterfront and close to popular spots like Pier 39 and Alcatraz Island, and the hotels in this area usually range from $200 to $500 per night. San Francisco has a mild and moderate climate with cool and damp conditions, especially near the coast. Temperatures range from mid-40s to low 70s Fahrenheit throughout the year, with occasional rain and strong winds. The weather can be variable with fog and wind, so it's best to be prepared. A quick note: the admission fees described in this video were accurate at the time of recording. The videos and pictures featured in this video are for reference only and are not from the exact attractions. Website links for all the attractions are in the description to help navigate and book easily. Dear valued followers of Plan Your Trip Ezee, I extend my sincerest and humblest thanks to each and every one of you. Your support and interest in my travel journey mean the world to me. I can't wait to share more amazing adventures with you in the future. Until then, keep exploring and I'll see you on my next itinerary. Best regards, YJ.